Hey everyone, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to connect your Binance account directly to TradingView. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to link the two seamlessly, so you can manage trades, analyze charts, and streamline your trading setup all from within TradingView. This is a huge time saver for anyone who wants to trade without jumping between multiple platforms, so let's get right into it. Alright, first things first, make sure you're already logged into your Binance account. You can do this in a separate tab or window. This is important because later on, TradingView will need access to your Binance profile, so having this step done ahead of time saves you a bit of hassle. If you don't have an account yet, pause the video, go ahead and set one up, and then come back here so we can continue together. Now, let's turn our focus to TradingView, specifically to what's called the supercharts. This is where the magic happens, since supercharts is TradingView's advanced charting tool, basically where you get all your analysis done, and if you connect an exchange, also place trades. Once you're inside the Supercharts interface, look towards the bottom of your screen. You'll see a panel labeled Trading Panel. This area might be tucked away or minimized, depending on your layout, but look for it near the lower edge of the chart window. Go ahead and click on Trading Panel to expand it. TradingView gives you the option to connect with a variety of brokers and exchanges, which is super useful. You might see a list pop up right away, or you may need to scroll or search to find the specific broker you want to connect. Since we're focused on Binance today, let's use the search bar right within the trading panel. Simply type Binance into the search bar. If you don't use this little shortcut, you might be scrolling through a bunch of other options, so searching is the quickest way. Once Binance appears in the list, give it a click. This is the part where TradingView is going to prompt you to connect the two accounts. Usually, it'll open up a new window or overlay, asking for your permission to link your Binance account to TradingView. If you're already logged into Binance, as we did at the beginning, this process should be pretty straightforward. It may ask for authentication or a quick security check. This is just to make sure that you're the account holder and everything is secure. Now just follow the prompts to confirm the connection. Typically, this is a matter of hitting the Allow or Connect button a couple of times. Don't worry if it takes a few seconds. Sometimes the platforms just need to handshake and sync everything up. Once it's done, you should see a confirmation in TradingView letting you know that the accounts are now linked. And that's it. You're now set up to trade directly from TradingView using your Binance account. You'll be able to execute orders, monitor your portfolio, and manage everything on one screen, which is a real game changer for staying organized and reacting quickly to the market. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and let me know down in the comments if you ran into any issues or if you have questions about connecting other brokers. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.